85 problem. H1, H2 are two harmonic means between A and B. Then H1 plus H2 by H1, H2. Here H1, H2 are two harmonic means lies between A and B. So solution. So H1, H2 are lies between A and B. Then becomes harmonic progression. It becomes harmonic progression. A comma H1 comma H2 comma B are in HP. So this is HP series, means if you take reciprocal it becomes AP series. 1 by A comma 1 by H1 comma 1 by H2 comma 1 by B are in AP. So this is AP series. So these four terms are in AP. Common difference is equal. D is equal to T2 minus T1. That is equal to T3 minus T2. That is equal to T4 minus T3, like this. Okay, so taken as relation, this one and this one both are equal. So T2 minus T1, 1 by H1 minus 1 by A. T2 second term minus first one, that is equal to fourth term minus third term, 1 by B minus 1 by H2. So total H terms are transposed one side and remaining other side. So 1 by H1 plus 1 by H2, that is equal to 1 by A plus 1 by B. So take LCM H1 H2. So H2 plus H1, that is equal to take LCM AB B plus C. So clearly H1 plus H2 by H1 H2, that is equal to A plus B by AB. This is answer, A plus B by AB. 94 problem. Find the sum of 2n plus 1 by 2 comma 4n plus 1 by 6 comma 6n plus 1 by 18, so on to 2n terms. So solution. Find the sum of 2n plus 1 by 2, 4n plus 1 by 6, 6n plus 1 by 18, so on to 2n terms. Here 2n, generally asking n terms, but in this question asking 2n terms. So find the sum of 2n terms. So sum means summation. It is denoted with S. S is equal to sum of terms. So first term is 2n plus 1 by 2 plus second term is 4n plus 1 by 6 plus third term is 6n plus 1 by 18 plus so on up to 2n terms. So here now grouping 2n, 4n, 6n like the terms. 2n plus 4n plus 6n. Next one is 18 like that. 2n terms. Plus remaining 1 by 2, 1 by 6, 1 by 18 plus up to 2n terms. Now observe this series. 2n plus 4n plus 6n plus 18 plus 10, and this is AP series. Okay, so sum of n terms formula Sn is equal to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d, Sn. Okay, so apply this formula. So what is this one? This is GP series. If you multiply with 1 by 3 it becomes 1 by 6. 1 by 6 into 1 by 3, 1 by 18. This is GP series. So here Sn is equal to A into, here R value 1 by 3 is less than 1, 1 minus R to the power of n by 1 minus n. So these two formulas are applied here, then we get result. Okay, so here A is equal to, first term A is equal to 2n. So D is equal to T2 minus T1. Here A is equal to 1 by 2. So R is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, so here n terms, sorry 2n terms, 2n by 2, 2 into 2n plus 2n minus 1 into 2n plus A into 1 by 2 into 1 minus R value is 1 by 3 to the power of 2n by 1 minus 1 by 3. So 2 to get cancelled, n into 4n plus 4n square minus 2n plus 1 by 2 of 1 minus 1 by 3 to the power of 2n by 2 by 3, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2, 2 by 3. So n into 4n square plus 2n plus 3 by 4, 1 minus 1 by 3 to the power of 2n. So by taking common 2n into n, 2n square 2n plus 1 plus 3 by 4 of 1 minus 1 by 3 to the power of 2n. This is answer. So next one, 96 problem. Observe 96. In a GP, third term is 9 by 16 and sixth term is 1 by 2. Then find the series, GP series. Okay, here given third term T3 is equal to 9 by 16. T3 means a r square is equal to 9 by 16. And next, what is given sixth term T6? T6 is equal to 1 by 2. T6 means a r to the power of 5 is equal to 3 by 2. This is second one. Okay, so we have to find series means compulsory we need a value and r value. A comma, this is a GP series. If given AP series, we have to find a comma d. So this is GP series, so we have to find a and r value. So how to find? So using these two equations, we have to find a and r value. So here multiplication relation, we have to do 2 is divided by first one. Second equation is divided by first equation. A r to the power of 5 is divided by a r square. That is equal to 3 by 2 by 9 by 16. So a get cancelled. R to the power of 3 is equal to 3 by 2 into 16 by 9. 8 times 3 times. So r cube is equal to 8 by 3. R is equal to cube root of 8 by 3. R 8 by 3 to the power of 1 by 3. So we get r value. Next we have to find a value. This one substitute any one equation. First equation, a r square is equal to 9 by 16. So a is equal to 9 by 16 into 1 by r square. So a is equal to 9 by 16. 1 by r square. 1 by r square means reciprocal, 3 by 8 to the power of 1 by 3 whole square. So a is equal to 9 by 16 to 9 by 64 to the power of 1 by 3. So a is equal to 9 by 16 into cube root of 9 by 64. So a is equal to 9 by 16 into cube root of 9 only. So cube root of 64, 4. So a is equal to 9 by 9 cube root of 9 by 64. This is a value. So r value how much? Cube root of 8 by 3. Okay, so therefore GP series a value 9 cube root of 9 by 64. Next one AR, a into r. So 9 cube root of 9 by 64 into cube root of 8 by 3. So this value how much here? 9 by 64 cube root of 9 into 8 by 3. 3 3s. So 24. 9 by 64 cube root of 24. 24 r here. Cube root of 8 is 2. So this can be written as again. So 9 by 64 cube root of 8 is 2 into cube root of 3. So 18 cube root of 3 by 64. This is second term. Second term only this is. Okay. If you want the third term, multiply with common ratio. Means 18 cube root of 3 by 64 into cube root of 8 by 3. So 18 by 64 cube root of 3 into 8 by 3. 3 3 cancel. So we get 18 by 64 into cube root of 8. Cube root of 8 is 2. So 8 ones 8 32s. So 18 by 32. So first term is 9 cube root of 9 by 64. Second term is this first term is multiplied with common ratio. It becomes 18 cube root 3 by 64. This is second term. How to get third term? Second term is multiply with the common ratio. Okay, so we get 18 by 64 into 2 table 32 times 18 by 32. So this is GP series.